In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off auto answer calls on your iPhone. Auto answer is a feature that allows your phone to automatically pick up incoming calls after a specified time. Some people may find this feature convenient, but others may want to disable it for privacy or personal preference. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, scroll down again, and tap where it says, Touch. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap, Call Audio Routing. And then tap, Auto Answer Calls. To turn off auto answer calls on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.